It's been a cloudy Saturday over the eastern part of South Africa, and under that cloud, temperatures remained cool and we saw a bit of rainfall. Only a few thundershowers formed in the afternoon, and those have been mainly over the northwest and the Free State. But those that did form were quite large, especially on the border of those two provinces, with a few also spilling over into the northern part of the Eastern Cape, but with clear skies over the western half of South Africa. Overnight, we'll see a bit of fog moving in along the northeastern escarpment, and showers already start off the day over the southeastern part of South Africa on Sunday, with isolated to scattered thundershowers forming across the country between the northern interior and the east coast. It'll be a predominantly sunny and dry day in the west, other than some cloud pushing in over the southern part of the Western Cape, bringing in late drizzle with it. We're expecting a moderate to fresh northeasterly wind for Durban and East London, with a fresh southerly wind for Cape Town, and it'll be another windy day over the northern Cape interior. Uppington tops 37 degrees with a chance of isolated thundershowers. We're expecting thundershowers over the eastern part of the northern Cape, with a sunny and warm afternoon for Springbok and Calvinia at 31 degrees. Warm throughout the Western Cape with a bit of high cloud overhead, 28 degrees for Cape Town. We head into the mid-20s for Hermanus and Bredasdorp, both with the possibility of drizzle only late on Sunday night. 26 and mostly clear for George, partly cloudy for Port Elizabeth at 25, but with the possibility of thundershowers for the rest of the Eastern Cape. We're expecting highs to head into the 20s here, and you'll also see quite a cool day, especially by KwaZulu-Natal standards on Sunday, with maximum temperatures in the 20s, with a bit of light rain along the south coast and thunderstorms over the interior. Isolated thundershowers are expected for the Mpumalanga Highveld, with a mild to warm afternoon, with maximum temperatures peaking in the lower and middle 20s, partly cloudy and warm for Bombela at 28. Things should remain dry in Limpopo, with maximum temperatures heading into the upper 20s and low 30s, with some cloud, especially over the western part of the province. Partly cloudy and dry for Rustenburg at 27, but with a 40 to 60% chance of thunderstorms for the rest of the province, as well as the Free State. You'll see a warmer day here, 26 for Bloemfontein, still quite cool for Bethlehem and Harrismith at 20 degrees. Gauteng can expect a warmer day on Sunday, but temperatures still remain relatively mild, 23 for Johannesburg and Soweto. We'll see most of that thunderstorm activity over the southern part of the province. Pretoria should remain dry at a partly cloudy 26. On Monday, thundershowers are expected over the northern and eastern part of South Africa, with hot weather expected for KwaZulu-Natal. It'll be a cooler day with a bit of light rain in the south, and then that cooling reaches KZN on Tuesday with sunny and dry weather in the west. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.